New logo, new management, new start. This is not your typical factory story. For 32 years, QS Safety has been rewriting the rules of manufacturing. As a global leader in protective gear, we don't just make gloves, we craft them with a promise. Our promise is to protect both people and the planet. By controlling every step of production, we ensure unmatched quality while honoring an unwavering commitment to the Earth. Our factory is powered by conviction, with massive rooftop solar installations. We generate 85% of our electricity from the sun. Advanced systems treat every drop of water and purify waste gases. Because true innovation means leaving no footprint behind. This is more than manufacturing. It's a legacy of responsibility, where every stitch tells a story of sustainability. QS Safety. Protection, powered by purpose.